Welcome to this tutorial on setting up CreditSaint credit report analysis. CreditSaint is a reputable credit repair company that helps individuals improve their credit scores by analyzing their credit reports and disputing errors. In this guide, we will walk you through the step-by-step process of setting up CreditSaint credit report analysis. First, you need to sign up for a CreditSaint account on their official website. You will be asked to provide some basic information such as your name, email address, and password. Once you have created your account, you will be redirected to the dashboard where you can start the credit report analysis process. Next, you need to connect your credit accounts to CreditSaint. This can be done by providing your credit report information from the three major credit bureaus: Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax. You can upload your credit reports directly to the CreditSaint website or link your accounts through a secure connection. After connecting your credit accounts, CreditSaint will analyze your credit reports and identify potential errors or discrepancies. The analysis will include a detailed review of your credit history, credit utilization, and payment history. CreditSaint will also provide you with a credit score and a list of recommended actions to improve your credit score. One of the key features of CreditSaint is its dispute process. If CreditSaint identifies any errors on your credit report, you can dispute them directly through the platform. CreditSaint will guide you through the dispute process and provide you with the necessary documentation to support your claim. To get the most out of CreditSaint, it is essential to monitor your credit report regularly and update your information as needed. You can track your progress through the CreditSaint dashboard, which provides a clear overview of your credit score and credit report analysis. In conclusion, setting up CreditSaint credit report analysis is a straightforward process that can help you improve your credit score and financial health. By following these steps and using the CreditSaint platform, you can identify and dispute errors on your credit report, monitor your credit score, and take control of your financial future. Remember to always monitor your credit report regularly and update your information as needed to get the most out of CreditSaint.